Dolly here. Welcome back to Gypsy Rose Papery. Welcome back. I know I've been gone like a whole month, literally, but I usually take January off. It's kind of like my thing. If you go back, you will see in January I pretty much don't exist, but I did post little snippets here and there on my Instagram story. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I will leave the tag right here so that you guys can go and follow me. It's the same as my YouTube channel at Gypsy Rose Papery. So I will jump right in. This is the second journal in the Junk Journal Grimoire series. And so I've entitled this one Celestial Goddess for obvious reasons. It is a hardcover 9x6. It's got a gorgeous vintage lady on the front, lots of embroidery detail, lots of distressed paint detail all around. I have this gorgeous detailing on the spine and then some embroidery detail on the back here. And I have this really pretty tassel dangle inspired by Kim. And I attached it to this binder clip like Tracy Fox. It looks like this, really pretty. Some vintage laces, some other textiles in here. And I'll put that to the side. So we'll go right in. It has 120 pages front and back. It is meant for writing, obviously, because it is a junk journal grimoire. And there are, I think, over 40 pieces of ephemera. I know I stopped counting at 40, but then there was like more stuff that I added. So I want to say it's closer to 50, but this will be available in my Etsy shop. So if you guys are interested, go take a look over there. So it lays completely flat. All the ephemera is backed with this gorgeous lavender glimmer mist. I've got some full moon cards and I got some tags, and all the digitals in here are by Ayozie Studios, Screech Owl Studios, and Mrs. Cogs. I have coffee paper in here, and I have Prima paper in here, and another like Michael's scrapbook, like Celestial scrapbook paper in here. So lots of laces and textiles and embroidery and all of that good stuff. I have a little paper washi sticker there. Some more beautiful cards. The pockets that look like this are just like those strips, the offcuts from when you cut your paper. And I kind of did like a messed up Franken paper. Not as neat as Nick's, but it's all like zigzaggy. And then I put the embroidery on top. Stenciling, deep pockets. I have a notes page here, lots of dangles, I think a total of 9. More stenciling, sewing detail. Love the images in Amy Joy's digital. She always has like these very ethereal type ladies and gorgeous colors and like stardust, and it's just all magical. So I love her digitals. These curtains can actually be used as tuck spots. So there's a tuck spot under there. This is a bookmark and it's laminated with 5mm laminate, so it's crazy sturdy. Some more tags and ephemera. Gorgeous detailing around this lovely lady. This is a washi sticker. I'm obsessed. I'm officially obsessed with washi stickers because look, they're so freaking beautiful. I went and bought like loads. Some more beautiful ephemera. Here you'll see a lot of this type of stenciling. It's not really stenciling. I was dyeing my lace because some of this lace was white, and so it left the imprint on the page, and it just looks so beautiful. Like this right here. I love that. Lots of holographic paper in here. You can see. Woo! Love me some holographs. I am a child of the 80s. I also took a page out of Ayozie's book because I love her. She's like my fave. And I took some artwork. Now this is very old art, like literally 5 years ago is when I painted this. And I scanned it, printed it, laminated it with 5mm laminate because a lot of these textiles have like pearls, and so this will allow you to write nice and neat without any problems. And I have 2 or 3 more, I think, that I will put for sale in my shop, just a standalone writing board. So that goes there. Another deep pocket. It has 2 journaling cards. This is a book page on connecting with celestial beings and a beautiful image from Pinterest. Oops. Another washi sticker. 2 more cards, and definitely has a bohemian vibe. And that, I think, is kind of like my thing now. Get a little embroidery detail on the eye there, but just kind of very shabby, but not chic. Shabby something. I just don't know what that something is. Here we have a page out of a book, and I chose it because it says the few flowered shooting star. And then in the back, somebody colored it already, and it goes perfect with the colors in here. So I was like, that's a sign that I need to put this in here. So that goes there. Some washi. Some more journaling cards. Same here, really pretty middle signature there. Some more journaling cards. I did some sewing detail around the moon, stenciling, textiles, all the goodness. Here we have another tuck spot with some stenciling underneath. And I did use this in the front behind her, so just for continuity. I think it looks good. Love this image. This is a lace pocket. Another image that I'm in love with. Love this. Sewed around that. Love this trim. I love how it like hangs over the side. But this girl here is a clue to my next journal. She will be one of the girls in there as well because I love her. She's gorgeous and she's mysterious and she's everything that I want to be. Some more journaling cards. Here we have a vintage astronomy book page, which actually my dad gave me. He was gonna throw it out and I was like, hold on. The February sky. And then on the back we have a star map. You don't just throw out paper, like, who does that? Beautiful image from Mrs. Coggs. Love her. I love this. Little witch, because my journals will not be complete unless there was a little witch somewhere in here. And after all, it is a grimoire, so right. Love her. Did some sewing detail around there. I mean, if this isn't a goddess, I don't know what is. Love this image. Here we have a little flower fairy, and I picked her because her colors went really well in here. And in the back we have some more little fairies, and then I have 3 of these type of paper clips. They look like little galaxies to me, so I thought that would be perfect in here. Some more journaling cards. Did some detailing here. Love her. Washi tape. More embroidery. Journaling cards. A washi flower. Another tuck spot. Oh, her again. So pretty. I love her headdress. So beautiful. And the end. 2 more journaling cards. So yeah, this will be up on my Etsy if anybody's interested. It lays perfectly closed. I mean, it's a little smushy, but when you hit it down, it lays nice and flat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and for all of my new subscribers, I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing, and for all my current subscribers, thank you so much for like hanging out with me and putting up with my whole month off. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.